Welcome back to the episode 4 on American Revolution, where we are exploring the events and characters that shaped the birth of the United States of America. I'm your host, and in this episode, we will be discussing the life and leadership of George Washington, the father of his country. Segment 1: Early Life and Military Career. George Washington was born in Virginia in 1732 and grew up on a plantation. He was trained as a surveyor and later joined the British Army, where he served in the French and Indian War. After the war, he retired to his plantation, but he was soon drawn back into military service when the American Revolution began. Segment 2: The appointment of Washington as Commander-in-Chief. In 1775, Washington was appointed as the Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army by the Continental Congress. He was not the most experienced military commander, but he was chosen for his leadership skills, his reputation for integrity, and his deep commitment to the cause of independence. Segment 3: The challenges faced by Washington. Washington faced many challenges as the commander-in-chief of the Continental Army. He was outnumbered and outgunned, and his soldiers were poorly trained and often ill-equipped. He also faced opposition from some members of the Continental Congress, who questioned his leadership and his strategies. Despite these challenges, Washington never lost his determination and his commitment to the cause of independence. Segment 4: Washington's Legacy. Washington's leadership and military tactics were instrumental in the eventual victory of the American Revolution. After the war, he played a key role in the creation of the United States Constitution, and he was elected as the first President of the United States in 1789. He served 2 terms as president and set the precedent for future presidents. He is widely considered to be one of the greatest leaders in American history, and his legacy continues to inspire people to this day. That's it for this episode of the American Revolution. In our next episode, we will be discussing the pivotal battles of the American Revolution, including Saratoga and Yorktown, and their impact on the outcome of the war. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.